right, so we take the bags from the deck. We're down here at B3Q Smokehouse, and inside the fence here is where we load the bags into. Get the gate open. So we basically go from this side of the fence inside, and then Dom keeps a couple bags back here. Usually this is where the hickory goes, and then we'll do 2 pallets of cherry here, and then that's his big smoker. I think he said he can get right around like 1,200 or 1,500 pounds of meat inside of this thing, which is pretty spectacular. So what we're gonna do is basically where I'm standing is where the cherry bags go, and we just use the trailer to reach right up and over the fence. No stacking required, and just set them, right here on the plastic pallets so they don't get all moldy and mildewy on the ground. And let's get these unstrapped, and I'll show you just what I'm talking about. All right, so what I like to do, I don't use like a spreader bar or anything. I just hook the chains to the grapple itself. I try to pick them straight up. I don't like to do anything that just kind of pulls it and pinches it all to like one point right in the middle. So I do try to open the grapple up enough that like the straps are going straight up and down for the best possible pull. And as you can see, the bag holds up pretty good. I mean, there's some pieces that are, trying to poke through, but nothing's ripped. It will kind of self-heal once that's out of there, but nothing's, ripping strands, or anything like that coming through the bag itself. It's actually pretty durable. But yeah, that's how we're picking these up. And, it's just 4 little dangle chains. I think each one might be, 18 inches or something. This is at full reach because the cylinder up here is all the way in. There's no chrome left showing. So that's how we move 1 cord of barbecue smoker wood over the fence and inside the smoker yard. So we have our 1 bag of hickory and our 2 bags of cherry. All right, so one other added benefit to the bags, there's actually 7 old bags in this one. So can you imagine if that was like 7 IBC totes? The trailer would be full, just empty IBC totes. I could actually squish that down a little bit more if I wanted to, but just threw the strap over it for now. So, like I said earlier, it's not as exciting as running the K-Max copter flying 4 firewood bags at a time up into the Colorado mountains, but this is how we do it. So if we can get you a sales quote on anything from splitters and processors and different things, please let me know. The log lift bags are available online, shaverequipment.com, and on there is 4 easy order quantities. We're still keeping that pop-up there with the sales discounts on them. Everything from the sample order to a full pallet. So give us a phone call, 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And hey, the bags work for us, so maybe they'll work for you. We do work hard to be lazy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.